Hey guys, so welcome to AppNan. It's been a while since I have actually uploaded a new video onto the channel, but this is where the opportunity is. What I wanted you guys to see something new and something interesting. So I was able to get my hands onto the JioPhone 2. You might have heard about the JioPhone 1. So they are launching a new version of the JioPhone. This is a feature phone packed with all the features you use today with the 4G VoLTE and the most affordable 4G OLT phone in the world. So Jio is coming up with the second version of the Jio phone, and this is it. This is how it looks like. This is the phone, actual phone which I am holding. They're going to launch this phone somewhere in August, and this will be available to buy somewhere in September. So they'll be starting a pre-booking for this version on 15th of August. So this is how the phone looks like. They have given it a complete look-alike of a BlackBerry devices which used to come earlier. So they have given the keypad which looks like more like a QWERTY BlackBerry keypad. They have moved the display orientation from portrait to landscape, so now you can watch the content by holding a phone in a portrait mode. They have the Geo logo in front, and they have the VGA camera here. Basic JioPhone features like that calling feature, video call, then basic navigation keys. I'm not going to go much deeper into that because you guys already know what these keys do. And then they have the earphone here, and then there is a 3.5 headphone jack here, and then there is flashlight which is again there with the JioPhone 2, which was earlier available with the JioPhone 1 as well. So at bottom you have normal micro USB charging cable, charging port, and that's the advantage here, that you can charge this phone with your normal USB micro adapter. Moving into the back, so you can see the phone is having a back camera or a rear camera as well with the live branding. Camera on this phone is very much average, but it gets your job done because you cannot expect more in the budget of 1500 or 2000 rupees, which is again refundable after 3 years. So this is how the JioPhone looks like. This is your first look at JioPhone 2 exclusively on AppNan. So now I'm going to boot this phone for you guys, and you guys can see that how much time it takes to boot up, and then what are the basic features this phone offers from JioPhone 1, and what is the difference between phone 1 and JioPhone 2. So here is this phone is still running on KaiOS version 2.5, and which is still under a testing, or I can say not yet available for the public. So this is in a very much alpha or a beta stage. So here is the power on key to boot the phone. As you can see that the phone is turning on. Hi. Meanwhile, I have put the specification of the phone on your screen just for your information. If you guys are looking to know the specification of this phone, by the time phone boots up, you can have a look at the specifications of JioPhone 2. And by the way, make sure that whoever is interested in buying a JioPhone, hold on for some time and wait for this beautiful and affordable JioPhone 2 to get available, because what I have the information is this will be available in exactly same price as a JioPhone 1, which is again somewhere around 2000 rupees in Indian currency, which is lot value for money when it comes to the feature phone which can offer you a 4G services. And now, as a KaiOS is one of the most popular OS in India after the iOS, this phone offers the WhatsApp and other features and other services. So phone is still taking some longer time to boot up, but that's because this is still in a pre-production mode, and the software will improve as and when time goes by. So as you can see, as soon as phone powers on, the keys will lit up. So all the keys are having that backlight LEDs. And here is the phone. Now we have finally phone booted up. It took more than I think 15 seconds to boot up. And here is your first look at JioPhone 2. So how this offers, this is how the display looks like. It's not that great display when we talk about the phone. Here is your menu key, here are your applications which are available with the phone, and then you can scroll down and up from here. That's it. So not much to offer here. Then let me go to the setting for you guys and see what it offers. Let's see what it has to offer. And the device part is, it is having a 4 GB of internet storage, and that's what you get available is a 2 point, I think you get around 2 GB available storage in the phone. And again, phone supports a SD card, which is added advantage. So this is basically a smartphone with a feature phone OS kind of thing. And but again, the OS is not that dummy. Phone connects over the Wi-Fi, phone handles WhatsApp, everything very well. You have calling button here, you have all the features required. So that's the JioPhone. This is your first look at JioPhone 2. So if you guys want to see something more related to JioPhone 2, hit me up in the comments and I'll be able to get you the details about this phone. Thanks for watching the video, and make sure you share this video with the ones who are interested to see the JioPhone 2.